Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide through the latest happenings in the world of business. Mother's Food Group announces the launch of Mother's Bakery. Mother's Bakery will offer a range of products, including spice buns, Easter buns, packaged pastries, wheat and hard-dough breads, and many more of Jamaica's favorite baked goods. Managing Director Sheldon Seymour shared his enthusiasm for this new chapter. Mother's Food Group has always been committed to providing exceptional food experiences. The launch of Mother's Bakery is a significant step in our growth, allowing us to bring the best of Jamaica into homes locally and globally. This journey of expansion is a testament to our dedication to quality and innovation. The American Chamber of Commerce of Jamaica is offering support for Jamaican businesses seeking to expand in the United States through its 2024 Trade and Investment Business Summit. The event, scheduled for July 10 at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel, will focus on opportunities for local businesses under the theme Jamaica-USA Trade Connect, expanding horizons in outbound commerce. And Don Young Sang, president of AmCham Jamaica, expressed the organization's commitment to fostering stronger bilateral ties. Investment Minister Aubin Hill will also address guests at the event. The summit is expected to be a unique platform for businesses of all sizes to explore and capitalize on trade opportunities. Investors can look for passive income from dividends in the currency of US dollars and Jamaican dollars from Productive Business Solutions Limited. PBS has advised that its board of directors has declared a dividend to the 9.25% perpetual cumulative redeemable preference shareholders in the sum of $346,875 United States dollars. Also, the 10.5% perpetual cumulative redeemable preference shares in the sum of $12,945,205 Jamaican dollars and 48 cents. The dividends will be paid on July 4, 2024 to the perpetual cumulative redeemable preference shareholders on record as at June 24, 2024. The ex-dividend date will be June 24, 2024. During trading for the period June 20, 2024, the following companies represent the top 3 most active stocks that investors bought and sold on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. iCreate Limited ordinary shares with 1,916,923 units amounted to 14.96% of the market volume in terms of sales. Sagicor Select Funds Limited Financial with 1,821,296 units amounting to 14.21% of the market volume in terms of sales. Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 1,365,169 units amounted to 10.65% of the market volume in terms of sales. Over on the Twin Island Republic of Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, trading on June 20, 2024, registered a volume of 171,968 shares, crossing the floor of the exchange valued at $1,089,038 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 3 cents. Grace Kennedy Limited was the volume leader with 73,770 shares, changing hands for a value of $261,983 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 50 cents, followed by JMMB Group Limited with a volume of 44,924 shares being traded for 55,272 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 20 cents. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies, we turn to the Forex market. On June 20, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $49.2 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $58.2 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $156.62 and bought the US dollar for $154.85. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.77, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $1.48 from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $114.94 and bought for $113.46. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $6.82, selling it for $199.29 and buying it for $192.47. For our credit report of the day, we continue to encourage you to build a solid relationship with your banker because this is essential to the growth and stability of your business. We give you another tip. If your business faces financial challenges, proactively communicate with your banker. Early and honest discussions can lead to workable solutions and preserve your credit relationship. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update,